Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I am making buffalo chicken quesadillas. This is the easiest recipe ever. It takes about 15 minutes to make for a whole family. It's the perfect weeknight meal or make it a game day. You guys are gonna love this one. Let's get started. Into a bowl, we're gonna add in 2 cups of rotisserie chicken. This is pretty much just the whole meat off of the rotisserie chicken. If you don't want to use rotisserie chicken, that's totally fine. Just use 2 breasts of chicken and cut it up into cube-sized pieces. We're also gonna add in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, about a 1/4 cup of green onions, and then we're gonna add in a 1/3 cup of buffalo sauce. This is Frank's Red Hot Wings buffalo sauce. It's super good. We're also gonna add in just a little bit of black pepper, a pinch of salt, and we're gonna give this a toss. I like to make mine not so spicy so that everybody in the family can eat it. I just serve it with a little bit extra buffalo sauce. And this looks good. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and assemble our quesadillas. I've got 4 ounces of cheddar cheese and 4 ounces of Monterey Jack, all shredded and ready to go. Okay, so this is gonna make 5 quesadillas. We are just gonna add some cheddar cheese. A few dollops of our buffalo chicken mixture. And then top with just a little bit of Monterey Jack. These are gonna be so good. Okay, so we're gonna get a skillet heated up to medium, and we're gonna add a 1/2 tablespoon of butter. You want your pan nice and hot, but you don't want your butter to start burning like crazy. Okay, add your quesadilla. When these are cooking, I like to just push down like this with my frying pan lid. Make sure all the cheese gets melted, gets them nice and toasty. After a few minutes, flip it over. You might need to add a little bit of butter to the pan if you need it. That's it, so easy. That's it, how simple was that? These look so good, they're so creamy inside. So good, and just the right amount of spice, not too spicy. Let me know if you make these buffalo chicken quesadillas. I would love to know in the comments. Please subscribe so that we can keep cooking together, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to dunk these in sour cream, that's the best part. I almost forgot.